Hello everyone. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the SUMPRODUCT function in Excel. Today we're diving deep into one of Excel's most underrated, yet incredibly powerful functions. Get ready to unlock a new level of efficiency in your spreadsheet tasks. So what exactly is SUMPRODUCT? In simple terms, it multiplies corresponding elements in arrays and then sums the results. Think of it as a combination of multiplication and addition, all rolled into one neat function. The basic syntax of the SUMPRODUCT function is as follows: equals SUMPRODUCT, open parenthesis, array1, comma, array2, close parenthesis. First, the function performs multiplication and then summation to arrive at the result. Let's walk through a basic example to see how SUMPRODUCT works. Imagine you have a table with quantity, price, and total columns. For row 1, quantity is 5, price is 10, and total is 50. For row 2, quantity is 3, price is 15, and total is 45. And for row 3, quantity is 8, price is 12, and total is 96. To calculate the sum of the totals using SUMPRODUCT, you would use the formula equals SUMPRODUCT, open parenthesis, B2 colon B4, comma, C2 colon C4, close parenthesis. This will multiply the corresponding quantities and prices, and then add up the results. The result of this SUMPRODUCT formula is 191. Let's break down the calculation step by step. In the first step, we multiply the arrays. 5 times 10 equals 50. 3 times 15 equals 45. 8 times 12 equals 96. In the second step, we sum the results. 50 plus 45 plus 96 equals 191. Therefore, the final answer is 191. One of the most powerful aspects of SUMPRODUCT is its ability to handle conditional calculations. It can perform sums based on one or more conditions. Here's how it works. Suppose we want to sum values only when both conditions are met. Product equals product, and quantity is greater than 100. Then the syntax will be equals SUMPRODUCT, open parenthesis, A2 colon A10 equals product, close parenthesis, asterisk, open parenthesis, B2 colon B10 greater than 100, close parenthesis, asterisk, C2 colon C10, close parenthesis. It's more powerful than SUMIFs. Let's explore some advanced use cases where SUMPRODUCT truly shines. First, counting with conditions. This one is for counting rows that meet multiple criteria. The formula for that is equals SUMPRODUCT, open parenthesis, A2 colon A10 equals, yes, close parenthesis, asterisk, open parenthesis, B2 colon B10 greater than 50, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Second, weighted averages. Calculate averages with different weights. The formula for that is equals SUMPRODUCT, open parenthesis, A2 colon A10, comma, B2 colon B10, close parenthesis, / sum, open parenthesis, B2 colon B10, close parenthesis. Let's explore the key benefits of using SUMPRODUCT. Benefit number 1. Single formula solution. You can replace multiple complex formulas with one powerful function. Benefit number 2. Multiple conditions. You can handle unlimited criteria combinations in one formula. Congratulations on reaching the end of this guide. Now you're equipped to transform your Excel skills with SUMPRODUCT, a function that handles complex calculations with ease. Start using SUMPRODUCT today and unlock advanced Excel capabilities in your workflows. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.